Yeah, what's good, love like Chris, your boy Musa back with another video. Today we are doing another a different country. We got Korea, Japan, France, Germany, India, where they basically have to pass on the sentence. The last one we watched was very funny. That was with a, where was he from? What group was he from again? What group was he from? Does anyone remember in the chat? Pentagon, that's the one. Today we got a CIX member. I don't know his name. I'm guessing someone in the chat. What are you saying?
다 감수하시겠다는 뜻이냐고 물었습니다, 어머니.
Yo, what are you saying right now? The way he talks to himself is so good.
드리지가 하나밖에 없어서.
Jay!
듭니다.
Well, duh, she's your wife.
나도. 예.
But yeah, man, let's get into it. Play me. What up, Tia?
I did not anticipate the difficulty of pronunciation.
You didn't what of the what in the what?
자신감이 없어요.
Hold up. That panel is saying a lot. Damn. That's a panel and a half.
저는 잘 못해요. 사키. 아, you know me. I know you.
잘하시는데?
저 진짜 못해요.
아 그래요?
예.
다행입니다.
다행이다.
아니 제가 못하니까 같이 못하니까.
같이 못하니까 공감. Oh, this one is not nice.
It's not?
Okay.
Talk to us. Can you guys hear?
Let's go.
You ready?
Yes.
You looking here, right?
Which
Switch.
switched the Swiss wristwatches?
What the fuck? Which switch the wristwatches? Is that what it is? Which which switched the which wristwatches? Is that not the what or what? The what in the what switch the what?
Okay.
Damn, let's go.
Okay. 왜 웃어요?
He's already laughing because he knows that's a lot of W's.
제 얼굴 보고 왜 웃으세요?
He's searching something on Google. www. dot.
반응이 재밌으세요.
무슨 버릇이에요?
반응.
아니. 오케이, come on.
Go on.
Which?
Which?
Which? 아, which? 아하하하.
I'm dead.
Which? 아, which? 아하하하.
Which?
Which?
Switch it. Switch it. 그냥
Which?
Which switch is the Swiss wristwatches?
Okay. That's not I. Already he's better than the Pentagon guy, man. Already he's better than the Pentagon guy. That guy was struggling. Hey.
Which?
Whoa. What are you? What? What's this? Why are we running shit backwards? Either whatever way you say it is the same. What's she doing? What a witch and a witch? What?
죄송해요.
Which? Yes, which?
Which?
Which is the
All this which is killing me, man. Which?
Which is the Swiss?
wristwatches?
Wristwatch.
잠시만. 스위스가 왜 나와?
Swiss.
Sweet.
Okay,
She had it and now she's losing it. Come on, woman, you losing it now.
I got it. Yeah,
頑張って
you have to
ください
trust me. Okay. This time pretty difficult. Which?
Nah, the look.
Which? Switch? Swiss? Where which? What?
Which?
안 돼.
Which? Okay. You know the which? Yes.
The witch got you wrapped around her spell. You done forgot everything now. Huh? The witch done worked her magic and you forgot the rest. Damn.
Switch it.
Yes,
Switch it. Swiss.
Swiss?
It's country.
How many Swiss are there?
I know. That's why I'm very confused right now. So I have which? Switch it. Swiss. Wearing the watch.
One last time.
Wearing the watch. Which?
Which watch? Which watch? Watch which? Which watch? Watch which? Which watch? What a which? And a watch and a watch. Which watch?
Yeah, I trust you.
Oh Lord.
No.
He's like, I didn't say that. Don't put the blame on me. He said it right. I'm gonna give it to him. He's not at fault here right now. It's you.
He said it.
Okay, be ready. Which?
Wait. Is that what Germany is saying? Wait, is this what Germany is saying? Yeah. Okay, Germany, I see you. Hold up.
Switch it. Wearing a watch.
I mean, it's not a lie. Wristwatch is wearing a watch. That's on your wrist. But what? Hey, it is what it is, man. Hey, it is what it is, man.
I know. Which? Switch it. Switch. Wearing a watch. Swiss.
No. It's the Swiss before the watch, the wearing. Like if you,
Switch wearing a watch. Which?
No. That reaction was so real. That wasn't for the cameras. That was a real reaction.
Which wearing a watch?
Confused.com. That's what that shit is right there. It's too funny. I'm done out here. She's lost. She said none of this shit makes sense.
Switch it. Switch it. Wearing a watch. Swiss. Wearing a watch. Swiss. Okay.
Oh man.
It's the fact that they got the words right, but mixed up.
Okay.
And this is level 1, by the way. Let's just all remember that level 1.
Which switched. Wearing a watch. Swiss.
Very important.
Can you repeat
I mean, she got it clean though. She got that shit clean, so she fluent in that English. She German, but she English. She cleaned that one. That was clean.
Switched. Wearing a watch. Swiss.
What? Which wearing a watch Swiss?
Germans, most of the time, yeah, Germans can speak English. Majority of them. If they don't speak English, it's simply because they don't want to, innit?
Which?
Let's just keep it a buck.
Watch it.
If a German don't speak English, it's simply because they don't want to speak English to your ass.
Huh? What?
Swiss
Which? Switch the Swiss wristwatches. Swiss is country, but it's also brand. I
Yeah.
know. But who did this?
Yeah, you're guilty. That's why they're changing you.
Me though.
I'm a troublemaker.
No, you are not troublemaker.
She is
It's
a
okay.
German. That's why they. Ah, shit, level 2. Let's go. But are you getting ready for singing practice? Why is he out here claiming his phone? Like,
I feel like this is easier than the last one.
it is? Let's hear it.
Would
What?
you
You
choose
choose
wood
wood
or
or
wool?
wall?
That's not bad.
Wool.
One more time. Please.
So
That's actually not bad.
would you choose?
Would you?
Would
Oh,
you
would you
choose
Choose
wood
wood
or
or
wool?
wool. Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's go.
Would you choose the wood or wool? 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 Or would you choose the wood or wool? 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 She said. She said wool.
Can you say it loud?
Wool.
Wool. Wool. Wool.
I'm so sorry. 자, 약간 네.
Would you choose the wood or old?
No. Old. Wool. 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 He started with a W. Where does the old come from? But the woman.
Would you choose the wood or old? Would you choose the wood or odd?
Odd. I swear they did this on purpose. There's no way. Wool, old, odd. What? Huh? Wool, old, odd. Brother, what are we doing?
Would you choose the wood or
Would you choose the wood
or odd?
or
Odd, that's what I heard. I don't
odd?
know.
Or
Odd.
old?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Go with that one, old. Either way is wrong.
Or odd.
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay.
Lucky.
Hi. Would you choose the wood or odd?
Would you choose the wood
Or old? But she said odd. She said odd. I'm not saying that.
She said, I'm not saying that.
She said odd.
She said, I'm changing that shit to old.
choose the wood or odd? I can hear Lexi saying no.
Would you choose the wood
Wood,
or odd?
ugh, what?
Even the way she opened the paper was angry. She opened that paper hella angry. That was aggressive. Why are you opening the paper like that, man?
What?
Look at where she opened it. Damn.
Girl,
Would you choose the wood or wool? Yes.
wool.
Like the fabric.
Wool. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
I did not anticipate the difficulty of pronunciation of
Wool.
wool.
Wool. Yeah, wool is quite hard.
It got a little funky over here.
I think it's not me.
This time.
It was you. It was you last time.
This is just.
Is it critical?
Okay.
I think it's critical, people. I think it's critical. I think it's critical.
First,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay, no. Slowly, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you?
Can you?
Can a?
Can a?
Can as?
Can you? Can a? Can s?
A canner?
A canner?
Can?
Can?
A can.
A can?
Yeah, game over. See, just next. Let's just skip this one. This is even I don't even remember what you said. I don't know what you said. Like I don't know. I don't even know. And I know English. I don't even know what that was. Can a can with a can. Can a can. What can? Shut up.
You? Can a? Can? A canner? Can a can?
Yes.
Six cans.
I get you.
There's a whole lot of cans.
Okay, let's go.
Amy said I heard can. That's exactly what I heard as well, man. Can. That's all I heard. Everything else was like, what are you saying?
Your finger and checking, please.
Checking. Man said use the finger. Hey, they didn't say no fingers allowed. Let's go.
Can you?
Can you?
Can a can?
Yeah, already she's got 3 cans, and she is confused. Brain discombobulated. Look at her.
Can you? Can a can?
Can you? AKA.
3 cans and she's drunk. No, I cannot. I'm dead.
Can you? Okay.
Can I? Yeah, can
can,
I?
Okay. Can you?
Can I?
No, not can I, can you? Damn.
Oh
Wow.
my god. Right away, I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea.
One chance.
I'm lost.
Already. Can you?
Can you?
You can do it.
Can A?
Cannot?
No. Where the hell is cannot? Did you hear not? Did you hear cannot anywhere? You're the one that said I cannot. You said I cannot. He did not say cannot anyhow, anywhere.
S. Help! Can you? Cannot? S. Can. Oh, I forgot.
Can you? Can you?
Can you? Cannot? S. Cannot. Something like that.
So many can.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Can you cannot ask? Can
No, it makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Does it?
No, it doesn't make sense. What are you? What? Can you cannot ask? Huh? Can you cannot? What are we saying? Can you?
Can you?
No, no, no.
Ask?
Can first. I'm sorry.
I'm
I'm sorry.
that's it?
No, it's not. That's not it.
There is
But-
more?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be times up the whole way.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Just try.
I'm gonna try. Thank you.
We failed this one.
Okay, this one's so
Yeah.
right?
Can you cannot ask?
Can you? Cannot? Can ask?
Can you cannot
Can you? Cannot?
ask?
Ask?
Cannot.
Okay, what happened this time?
That's all I got. I'm
Okay,
so sorry.
Can you?
Yeah.
Cannot ask?
Yep.
Cannot?
Canon, camera,
Canon.
Canon camera.
Canon. You know the Canon, right?
The camera.
The brand.
Oh, really?
Canon. The camera.
Canon?
Is it Canon?
The camera? I don't know.
Camera.
Yeah. And apparently there is something else after, but we don't know.
Wait, you don't know? Okay. Well, she's A.
Every time
We need the blaming.
발걸린.
Come on.
She said.
Canon can ask. Come on. Canon can ask.
Oh shit! Nah, this is too much.
What?
There's a lot happening, bro.
Cannot ask. What? Wait. Cannot ask.
If I ever hear someone say "can" to me, I'ma slap him. If I hear Mr. Can you, I'ma slap you, bro.
Fuck. Cannot. I don't know what that means.
can know.
Nobody does. Cannot ask.
Cannot ask.
Cannot.
Can know. At the end there's a can know. Can
She said there's something after, but she doesn't know it.
we don't know.
Why don't you know?
Can know. Yeah.
Can know.
Ask. Can't know.
Can't know? What the?
Can you can a can as a canner can a can.
Wow.
They weren't getting that ever.
So a canner.
But the hey, shout out to the CIX guy. What's his name? I probably will butcher his name. I'm not even gonna try to say his name. But he's actually doing very well.
First we'll explain. A canner is a person who can.
Can. Yes.
So can you can a can.
Ah,
I was like
you.
canner.
Oh.
I can.
Ah.
Like a professional can.
Oh my god. See, girl, you should have explained it like that. Maybe we would
He
have
had
got
it right.
He had it.
Oh, really?
I'm
Yeah.
not doubting him.
So
why doing this?
It fell apart right here.
Yes.
여기까지 진짜 좋았어요. 여기까지.
가연이 저쪽. 가연이 저쪽. I am just a messenger. It's these three.
Whoa.
너무 잘 읽어주셔갖고 되게 쉽게 했는데 제 발음이 좀 문제가 아니었나.
너무너무 잘하고.
아, 재밌었어요.
Yeah, because it's easy for him to get, but then obviously, like giving it over, again, accent and the way he says stuff, the pronunciations, it's obviously gonna be
한국어는 재밌을 것 같아요.
tricky.
한국어로.
한국어
Gonna be tricky. Gonna be tricky.
I tried my best.
I did.
Yeah, sometimes it was hard to like distinguish between the different cans. I think that's what I got it wrong.
Too many cans.
And
It's also a homophone, so it's like the same word, but it has a different meaning almost every time.
Yes.
So that's quite complex.
Okay, so what language should we try next?
Korean.
Hindi. Korean.
Korean. Or Spanish.
Korean. 일본어.
Korean, 일본어도 괜찮아. I think all we should try them out. I think German is going to be super hard. I think like
Alright, let's see what language we'll do next.
That was fun. That was a lot of fun, man. That was funny. That shit was funny.